So, when we talk about hitting out of the rough, I have a 7-iron here, okay? So, when I have a bad lie in the rough, or the rough is very long, what kind of swing differences do you think I should make, if you know of any, compared to hitting out of the fairway?
I would think that you would really have to make sure you hit down as hard as you can. It's kind of the opposite, right?
Yes. So the correct term would be swinging steeper, which is more up and down. The reason being is if I swing a little more into out, the grass is longer and it's going to catch the club and slow it down and turn it over. If I swing steeper or more vertical, I won't hit the grass until after I hit the ball, hopefully.
Yeah, gotcha.
The only thing now is by swinging steeper, it's going to come out low and it's not going to have any spin on it. It's going to run a long ways. So that's just things you have to play for when you're in the rough. So I'm going to hit one from this lie, but I'm going to go kind of inside and show what can happen if the club shuts it down. You're fine, I'm not going to hit you. Right? See how it turned it over and went left? Or I can now make the same swing, but on this one I'm going to make sure I come down on the ball a little more vertical. See how it stayed a little straighter?
Yeah.
And it was maybe a little thin because I didn't hit any grass or anything, but it prevents the grass from getting in the way. So the other thing too, if we have a lot of grass, is we still need to make sure our speed is coming up through the ball. Kind of just like if we're chipping out of the rough or whatever. If you slow down, right, the club's not going to be able to get through the grass. So we still have to make sure we're keeping that speed up through the grass. Okay?
Okay.
The other thing when we're in the rough, I'd always take one extra club. Same kind of reason. You're not going to make solid contact with it. That's just the way it is. You know, there's grass that's going to get in the way. So if I normally hit a 9-iron, I'm just going to hit an 8-iron.
Okay.
There's no point in trying to hit one really hard out of the rough. Just take one more club. Just get a little steeper and come down. Does that make sense? Alright, we'll rotate one by one. Who wants to start first?
I'll go first.
Alright.
She's ready.
Alright, if you guys can keep hitting in
do you
your
want this
stall. Besides that stall, take the bucket.
Right, it's okay if I do a set, start with a set.
Yep, that's what I have.
Do you want both of them, Mom? And I'll hit with something else?
No, this is it.
Okay. So let's get you started there.
Okay.
Setup and everything is the same as like a normal iron shot.
Okay.
But like I said, we're just trying to get a little more vertical and come down on the golf ball.
Okay. Oh, 7, I was trying to go.
Yeah. So first swing.
All ball.
Yep. But you saw how it came out really low
Yes.
compared to when you hit it good off of the fairway, right?
Yeah.
Or off the range tee. It went a little bit higher.
Right.
That's just what's going to happen with the swing we're trying to make and all the grass being there.
Okay.
Yes. Nice. Put you out of the rough all.
Right. Good time. Spend a lot of time.
That's why a lot of beginners just always hit out of the fairway, but they're the ones that find the fairway the least often. So.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you see how
I got a lot of grass there.
Yeah, and you could kind of hear it, and I'm sure you could probably feel it
Yes.
kind of slow down a little bit. I'll give you a horrible Nice, really good. Does it feel different at all?
It does. You can feel the grass really slows it down for
Yep.
sure. But
Alright.
those are good reminders, right?
Yep.
Especially the speed part.
Yeah.
You really got to
But
keep your
It's
swing.
swinging faster, but not swinging out of control.
Exactly.
You know, because if you swing out of control, it's just going to be worse than it
Yes.
would have been anyways.
Right.
So I'm gonna have you hit one more here.
Okay.
I'm gonna drop this one just like if we hit a
Sure.
drive and we're gonna hit it from wherever it ended up. So
It's a terrible drive.
I know it's a bad lie, but that's what happens.
Exactly.